Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some commonly used Arabic words. The first word is wisada. 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 In English we call it pillow. The second word is حوض. 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 In English it is called pool. The third word is طعام. 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 In English it is called food. The next word is دلو. 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 In English it is known as bucket. The next word is خيط. 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 In English it is known as thread. The next word is برنامج. 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 In English we call it program. The next word is يومي. 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 In English we called it daily. The next word is أسبوع. 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 In English it is known as week. The next word is حطب. 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 It is known as wood. The next word is مولد كهرباء. مولد كهرباء. مولد كهرباء. In English it is known as generator. The next word is شاحن. 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 We also called it charger. The next word is براية. 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 It is also known as sharpener. The next word is قصاصة. 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 It is also called nail cutter. The last word is مسمار. 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 In English we called it nail. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.